You can pick this up with 2 fingers. I can't, you know what I mean? It's like whoop, boop, 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 boop. This guy. Hello and welcome to Hardway Learning, where we look stupid so you don't have to. Today we are working on the 2022 Subaru WRX. For whatever reason, I was inspired to buy one of these. I need 4 doors for work, and this seemed like the most bang for your buck all-wheel drive car, and I test drove one and it was pretty fun. So here we are. It's a premium trim, so it has the larger screen, and it has heated seats, which I think were the 2 primary reasons to get the premium over the base. This one was used, had like 8,000 miles on it for like $29,500. New the premiums are like 35, base is like 31, so felt like a pretty solid deal. But the stereo is a little lackluster. You can get a trim package for the premiums that gets you to the Harmon Kardon system, but it also comes with a sunroof, and I mean that's just a hole in your roof for no good reason that's due to leak at any point. So what we're doing is we're upgrading these door speakers to some kicker units that I got on Crutchfield. They come with all the harness adapters and the plate adapter things, and we're gonna upgrade the speaker system. There are 2 screws you need to remove. One that's under this little panel, and then there's one behind here. You pop this plastic piece out, the screwdriver as well. For whatever reason, these never come up easy. It actually kind of worked for you. Final piece that gets removed before pulling the door trim is this guy. Just a little plastic tab there. Kind of get behind the frame of the window. Now we start pulling off the rest of the door. So I like to find these doors, trims. I almost feel like you're gonna break something. And you might. Alright. Pull it outward. And then get through the slot. Pull it outward through the slot. And then there's 2 harnesses right here for the lock and the windows. This harness out for Phillips screws. And this is why these don't sound very good. It's lighter than air. It's not a 16x9, it's just a, I don't know, or a 6x9. It's just a 6. And it's paper cone. And this is just one of those while you're in there sort of deals. I had this left over from some sound deadening that I had done on the Miata. I'm just gonna add a little bit to the door here. Help isolate some vibrations from all that mega 16x9 bass we're gonna have in here. Make sure it's... Put our adapter on here. Yeah, I was able to get all these to line up. But then the kicker speaker does not line up with the adapter on all 4 holes, just on 3 of them, so you have to drill a hole, which seems silly. Crutchfield gives you the harness adapters. So we'll feed that through. Wrap this connector with a little bit of electrical wrap because it will vibrate otherwise. And this is why, I mean, this is like a 1/4 of a pound. This is like 2 pounds. Nice solid driver. Look at that. Look at the size of that driver. The skinny one goes to the skinny one. And a quick hole. Alright, so I kind of snuck it all back together, but you want to get the 2 cables connected. Yellow goes on top, the two harnesses connected, and then you try to get the top sill rested first, and then you can start going around and get your screws back in. Now I can't really play any music as copyright, but I tested it and it was pretty good, so take my word for it, link in description. And for the rear, it's basically the same. You've got this piece here, you've got the piece in the door handle again, but you don't have the trim piece around the edge of the door on the top, so it just pops out. Be aware of the snaps that may have been left in the door and not come with the card. And this side is even, the rear is even easier. No drilling. Garbage. You can pick this up with 2 fingers. I can't, you know what I mean? It's like whoop, 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 whoop. This guy, big driver. Let's get the bracket installed. The OEM screws for the bracket. Adapter. Oh, and I forgot to put dynamite.